In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best dash cams 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best dash cams 2026 on Amazon. Number 5, YEECORE 4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 3-inch IPS display, HDR night vision, G-sensor, app control, emergency lock, parking mode. Supports up to 512GB.4K front and rear recording, captures sharp, detailed footage from the front and rear of your vehicle to provide comprehensive road coverage. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS connect to your smartphone through Wi-Fi for convenient video access, while GPS records location and route information. 3 IPS display, clear IPS screen makes camera setup, live viewing, and playback convenient directly from the dash cam. HDR night vision, enhanced HDR and low light technology help capture clearer details in challenging nighttime and high contrast driving conditions. G-sensor and emergency lock detects sudden impacts and automatically protects important recordings to help preserve evidence after an accident. Parking mode and 512GB support helps monitor your vehicle while parked when properly connected to continuous power, and supports memory cards up to 512GB for extended recording capacity. The YEECORE 4K Dual Dash Cam is designed to provide reliable front and rear protection for everyday drivers. With 4K front recording and rear camera coverage, it captures detailed footage of the road while helping document important moments during daily commutes, road trips, and unexpected incidents. The 3-inch IPS display provides a convenient way to adjust settings, view live footage, and review recordings directly on the camera. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS provide convenient smartphone connectivity and driving location information, while HDR night vision helps improve image quality in low light and high contrast conditions. The integrated G-sensor and emergency lock automatically help protect important accident footage from being overwritten. With parking mode, app control, and support for memory cards up to 512GB, the YEECORE Dash Cam offers a versatile and feature-rich solution. Number 4, Eivikga 3-channel Dash Cam, 4K front plus 2.5K rear and interior car camera, IMX675 Starvis 2, Wi-Fi and GPS, 64GB card, HDR, G-sensor, 24H parking monitor for rideshare and taxi drivers. 4K plus 2.5K plus 2.5K 3-channel recording simultaneously records the road ahead, rear view, and vehicle interior for comprehensive coverage. IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, advanced Sony Starvis 2 imaging technology delivers excellent detail and improved low-light performance for clearer footage day and night, designed for rideshare and taxi drivers, ideal for Uber, Lyft, taxi, and other professional drivers who need front, rear, and cabin recording for added coverage. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS connect to your smartphone through Wi-Fi to manage footage and use GPS data to document driving location and route information. HDR and G-sensor protection. HDR helps balance challenging lighting conditions, while the G-sensor detects sudden impacts and helps protect important recordings. 64GB card and 24H parking monitor includes a 64GB memory card and supports parking surveillance when properly connected to a constant power source. The Eivikga 3-channel Dash Cam is designed for drivers who want complete visibility around their vehicle. With 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 2.5K interior recording, it captures the road ahead, traffic behind, and activity inside the cabin simultaneously. This makes it especially useful for rideshare and taxi drivers, as well as families and everyday commuters who want comprehensive driving coverage. Powered by the IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, the camera provides detailed images. Number 3, Olyvue V77 Dual-Channel Dash Cam, 4K front and 1080p rear car camera with dual Starvis 2 sensors, super night vision, HDR, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS/BDS, 24H parking mode for cars, SUVs, trucks and semis. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, capture sharp, Detailed footage from the front and rear of your vehicle for comprehensive road coverage. Dual Starvis 2 sensors. Advanced image sensors provide excellent detail and improved low-light performance for clearer footage during both daytime and nighttime. Driving. Super Night Vision and HDR. Enhanced night imaging and HDR technology help preserve important details in dark scenes and challenging lighting conditions. 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi connect wirelessly to your smartphone for convenient video playback, downloads, and file management. GPS. Number 2. Grskiy 4K 3-channel dash cam for cars, front and rear and inside camera, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 64 GB SD card, night vision, G-sensor, loop recording, 3.39-inch screen, 24H parking monitor. 4K 3-channel recording records the road ahead, rear view, and vehicle interior simultaneously for comprehensive driving coverage. Built-in GPS records important driving information such as location and route data to help provide additional context for recorded footage. 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi connect to your smartphone quickly to view, download, and manage recordings through the compatible app. Night vision and 3.39-inch display. Enhanced low-light recording helps capture clearer footage at night, while the large display makes setup and playback convenient. 64 GB SD card included. Comes with a 64 GB memory card so you can start recording right away without purchasing storage. Separately. G-sensor, loop recording and 24H parking mode automatically protects important footage when an impact is detected. Continuously overwrites older files when storage is full and monitors the vehicle while parked when properly connected to constant power. The Grskiy 4K 3-channel dash cam provides comprehensive protection by simultaneously recording the front road, rear view, and inside of your vehicle. With high-resolution recording, enhanced night vision, and a 3.39-inch display. Number 1. Olyvue V78 Dual Dash Cam, 4K front and 2K rear car camera with Dual Starvis 2 sensors, Super Night Vision, HDR, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 24H parking mode, 64 GB memory card included. 4K front plus 2K rear recording captures highly detailed footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle for comprehensive road coverage. Dual Starvis 2 sensors. Advanced image sensors deliver excellent clarity and improved low-light performance, helping capture important details day and night. Super Night Vision and HDR. Enhanced nighttime imaging and HDR technology help balance bright and dark areas for clearer footage in challenging lighting conditions. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Quickly connect the dash cam to your smartphone to preview, download, and manage recorded videos without removing the memory card. 24-hour parking mode monitors your vehicle while parked and helps